What we have here is another massive underslip on Waitākere. Initially during the storms we counted nearly 60 slips, over and underslips in total, of which we know that about 20 of them is of significant size like this one. We are working on designs for all of these type of slips, as well as looking at cutting further back into the banks at the back here to widen the road out, so we actually do not have to build massive walls.
We're here at Elevation Slip on Scenic Drive. What you can see here is a survey instrument that's measuring and detecting any movement in the slip site. We've also done geotechnical drilling and installed inclinometers that are monitoring any movement of the slip. And at the same time, we have geotechnical engineers designing some retaining structures which will enable us to secure the road, rebuild it and reopen for traffic in due course.